Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here. Just quickly wanted to let you know that coupons are supported in forms now as well. So what does it look like? So first, obviously, you need to have a coupon ready, right? Under payments, coupons, go create one. And yeah, we're going to use this one. It's just going to say 100 discount. And then we go to, let's actually go back. Then we go to sites, forms, form builder. I think it was, yeah, let's just random form just to show you the functionality. So you can now finally add the forms over here. Let's find the, what was it, the product? Yeah, over here, sell products. So it needs to have a product element and it needs to have a product connected, right? So let's add a product. Let's take the first one I see. Let's add it. That's all cool. And over here, enable coupon, right? So this is the new functionality. Over here, you can see, obviously you can change it up whichever way you like it. I'll do this. And let's save it and let's preview it, what it looks like. So the product is $1. Let's go preview. And now you can't see the coupon field yet, right? So now you have to select it and then it pops up and then you can do 100 discount if I knew how to spell. I think this is right. So it says $1 total. If we apply it, it's going to say $0 total, right? 100 discount applied. So cool new feature, useful, really simple, just a simple toggle switch. Make sure you have your coupon created beforehand. And yeah, simple as that. So if you have any questions about coupons, forms, Funneltopia, anything within the Funneltopia world, let us know. 24/7 chat support. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, I will see you in the next video. Bye.